Hello there. I'm LA Gamer Dad. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we do unboxing, we do some reviews, we do tutorials and how-tos. Today, we will be unboxing a Ring Floodlight. That's right, you heard me. Ring Floodlight. I already have one, so I figured order another one and unbox it on for y'all, and then we can go over all the things that I enjoy about it, that I like about it, and things of that nature. So, well, without further ado, like everybody else, if you like my content, please hit the like and subscribe button down there. It's somewhere down here, at the bottom of the video, like everybody else says. It really would help me out, and I really appreciate it. Without further ado, we're gonna start to crack open this box, and yeah. Well, I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna get right into it. Make it simple. Put that to the side. Now it's open. All right. There we go. All right. First upon on our view, we have box, and then box. All right. Here we have what it looks like. I'm with a tool set, y'all. A little screwdriver. Look, hey, so it even says ring. Oh, and it's reversible. Flat. Yeah, that's too cute. That's too cute. And then I'm assuming like stickers, amount. I'm not gonna fully open up screws and everything because, like I said, I'm not gonna be able to install it. I'm just gonna open it on box and talk about it, and then I'll show you. I got pull up my camera on mine because I already have one installed. Because this camera has to be hardwired into your electricity into your house. It's not like a plug-in camera that you plug into a plug-in. You'll see it in a second once I break it open. Put this to the side for now. Put everything back in the bag. I think that's neat that it comes with a personal little screwdriver though. Bonus points for that. And we can put it slowly. Put that right there. As you can see, we're gonna pull it out. Box to the side real quick. Now we have that. So far, I mean, just a hardware box and tools, and I think the light so far. Looking nice and polished. All right. And here it is, y'all. That's there. They're fully adjustable. They move. This mouse on your house, you know. You got your electric wires that run into here. You got adjustable left to right, up and down. Pretty far too. I mean, you can just stare straight at the ground if you want. You got your lights like this. Your lights like this. You know. Yeah. Pretty nice. It's almost like I would say this is comparable to like, okay, so you know how like people compare like the quality of things to Apple? Well, this is probably an Apple tier product. I would definitely put it up there with the build quality, you know, solid. It feels it's gonna last. Little camera. It's got a light sensor. Camera got your speaker to speak through. The LEDs too, so you don't like have to worry about changing them out too often, if ever, because there's LEDs. I like that. They're really bright. My personal ones are really bright, and I have, like I said, I already have one of these set up for my house. Let me pull up my app, and I will show you what I mean. Let's go. Pull it up. Okay. Ring, as you can see, right? Boom. Pretty good quality, pretty good spread. And as like you said, I can also talk to somebody through it, and they can talk back to me. There's a button I can hit for siren. I can hit record. It's a motion detect already, so anytime someone walks in my drive, like from the road to my yard or the driveway, it will send me a message. It will ring like a doorbell to let me know that somebody is in my yard, and it is very accurate and very like low latency, like it's instant. So it's not like some of those cameras where you hear it and then by the time you check it, they're gone. No, it's there and very clear day or night. Mhm. I can't show you the light feature right now because it's daytime, but yeah, it does the lights. I can turn them on or off however I want, and it doesn't matter to if it's nighttime or daylight, I can turn them on now, but you wouldn't be able to see them. But I can turn them on now if I want with the toggle in the app. Let's see if I can try to show you. No. Yes. See, lights off, siren off. Yeah. And then I can end my live talk and all that other good stuff. So yeah, it's a pretty reliable light. I figure I'm gonna start adding to my collection. I was only have one ring product, and this is the second ring product. I'm gonna buy more, and as I buy more, I'll unbox more, I'll review more. But I will tell you, this I've had other security systems, and this one is pretty much, I guess, like, you know how iPhone is easier user friendly, like it's easier. You could pick up any most people could pick up an iPhone and use it. Well, most people can set this up. Like you don't need to call any technician or anybody. It's pretty like once you get the app, it kind of like connects like Apple does, but it kind of like knows senses it, picks it up automatically. It says, "Hey, another device is detected on your network, and do you want to allow it? You allow it, and boom, just like that, you connect it in the app. You can name it however you want it, whatever you want it. And you can also connect these to like a smart home devices like Google Nest and those Google things and the Alexa and the Echoes and all that good stuff. Um, yes, they do work with those products very well. I don't prefer using them that way. I prefer just using the app, but that's just my preference. I'm not a big fan of just like, hey Alexa, and then go through that whole process. Like I just rather open up my app, boop, you know. But to each his own. But yeah, that feature is there if you do like that feature, and it's quite nifty. And as far as the lights, the range of the lights, I can't show you. Like I said, at not nighttime here, but trust me when I tell you, they are bright. They shine pretty. They shine as far as the camera picks up. Let's just say that. Like so, as wide as the camera sees is as far and as bright as the lights shine. So like at nighttime, I have no problem seeing my mailbox on the road from the camera because it lights up. Like the kids when they play basketball in the front yard in the driveway, this camera's plenty enough when the lights because at night now it gets dark pretty early around 5:30 or so, and this is what the kids use as their basketball goal light. So it works really really well. Like I said, the lights are fantastic. Camera was a plus camera. Is like I said, A plus camera. The quality is hands down 1080p at least, probably 60 I would imagine. Um, yeah, that's about all I'm gonna have for y'all. I believe about this ring camera, but I will be look forward to more videos because I will be buying me personally some more just like this. Because like who doesn't want more cameras? I got a shop out there I need to watch and stuff like that. So I'm gonna cover my shop and just all those good areas like that. So again, if you like this video, please do me a favor and hit that like and please hit that subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. That would really help me on my journey along if you hit that subscribe button. Um, until next time, I think I got more videos. I'll post a link to some videos up here at the top. Y'all should check out some more unboxing videos. And look forward to more videos. I'll be posting some more videos in the future. Look forward to that. Thank you so much. I'm LA Gamer Dad, and y'all have a wonderful day.